So another thing that we have are expressions, which are additional mathematical calculations and functions on the data. So I have my report and details of customers' orders, but I want to know my price from each order after deducting the sales rep's commission. So how can I do that? I will go back to the add fields, and under the sales rep, I will drill down to the sales representatives form, and I will bring the commission percentage. Let's click Save. Now let's organize our report again because I changed it a little bit. So I want to see the order. I want to see the order status. I want to see the date, price, currency, and commission. Okay. Okay, so now I will add my expression. You can see that we have this column here, and I can change the name, price without commission. And I have the function button. When I click on it, I have two tabs. So first is all the fields that I have and defined in my report. And I will show you how we can create mathematical functions on them. And we also have a list of functions that we already added to analytics. Okay, and you can choose from there, like maximum, minimum, rounding, and so on. And of course that we will add more functions to it. And of course that you can also suggest your functions that you want us to add. Now, when we create our own mathematical calculation for the fields, it's the same like Excel. An asterisk is for multiplication, slash is for dividing, okay, and so on. You also have all the explanations in the SOP. So now let's create the mathematical calculation to turn it into a percentage and extract the price after discount. So I am choosing the price after discount, and I will multiply it by 1 minus the commission percentage, dividing it in 100, because we need to turn it into a percentage. Okay, so far this is just math. Okay, nothing to do with analytics or priority. This is just the calculation I'm doing. So I will save it. And now let's see the data in the report. So I will save it. Okay, and now you can see that I tried to save my report and I received an error. Why is that? When we define numerical fields and we have the functions, we need to define functions for all of them. It does not have to be the same function. Okay, they can be different from one another. But in this case, I also want to see the sums for each one of them. And again, I will choose the same group function. And now you can see that I can save it and it will be fine. And now I can run my report. And now we can see the results. We have our report. We have our expression that we added that calculates the price without the commission. Okay, so this is like the netto price after deducting the commission percentage of each sales rep. Okay, and we can see it here. So this way you can add more expressions and more calculations to your report to further analyze the data.